Hey, welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to send a private message to someone on X. Open X application on your phone and log into your X account. And I forgot to mention one thing, that on X you can DM only people who follow you or who have their DMs open to everyone. Okay, so now I need to enter my messages section that's located in the bottom right corner of my screen that looks like letter icon. And now you want to tap new message button that usually looks like plus sign here in the bottom right. And now you want to search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. From the list that will appear on your screen right here, you have to select specific person, which will redirect you to chat with them. And in this text box you have to type your message. And finally, when you are ready to send it, just hit send button that looks like paper plane icon. And now you see that the status of my message is sent. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.